What's the meaning of butter bean? Butter bean. Butter bean.
Butter bean. Butter bean. Butter beans are a type of legume that are popular in Southern cuisine. They are large, flat beans that are creamy white in color and have a buttery texture and flavor. These beans are a good source of protein, fiber, and other essential nutrients such as iron and potassium. In cooking, butter beans can be used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and casseroles. They are often cooked slowly with ham hocks or bacon to add flavor and richness to the dish. Some people also like to mash butter beans into a paste or puree and use it as a spread or dip. Overall, butter beans are a delicious and nutritious ingredient that can be enjoyed in many different ways.